Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here. We're going to be doing a little bit of mods today, nothing serious. We just got in the new PRL strut tower bar, and these fit on the Type R 10th Gen Civic, 11th Gen Civic, and 10th Gen Accord. And we just have to undo these 14 mil tops here. Swaps right on, and then we'll show you how it looks. All right, you don't have to jack up the car. Just take these off right here, set them up there. Let's get the bar on. All right, it probably took about 5 minutes. Just torque these down to manufacturer's spec. Wires get a little closer, but I don't think it's anything to worry about. The strut tower bar weighs around, I'd probably say it's maybe like 3 pounds. So it is not a lot of weight to it. So it should just kind of firm up a little bit. You know, we're building this car more for drag racing. So I really don't care about it, but it does look good in the car. I wanted to show you guys a new product that's out to order today on our website, www.axonind.com. Thanks so much for all the likes and subscribes. Really appreciate it. We're almost at 1,000. Hope we can hit it more. Thanks to all those also that have ordered the Cobra. We've got at least about 10 people now running these. And that's the little bracket that needs done. You also have to do a couple other things, but yeah, hope you guys are liking the build. We got something else we're going to show you here real quick. We're probably going to be doing a video in about a week. I'm just waiting on the intercooler piping kit from PRL, which is due out this week. And we're also going to change the billet section on the intercooler to the race one. And should be pretty good. We're just waiting to finish up some tuning, but we got some new parts in right now. And I want to go over these real quick with you and show you what we got. All right, so the reason we haven't had any updates is because we've been waiting on these. These are a larger injector from another Honda. And we are going to try out another high flow pump on here from an Accord Sport 2.0. So what we're hoping to do is get at least another 20 or 30% more fuel and be able to tune with Derek on E50. So I think that's going to give us the max of what we can possibly achieve with a stock turbo on here. And we're just going to give it the beans and see what it'll do and go from there. And then I will be installing the nitrous kit on the car too, but when we take it to the track, we're just going to be running it with the turbo only. But since I'm going to be doing the intercooler piping, I'm going to end up putting the fogger in there and setting it all up. So yeah, next up is the intercooler pipes. So I should have them hopefully next week if PRL can get them out to me. I got to take off the intake manifold, change out this. We're also doing a in-tank DW300 fuel pump also. So we have plenty of fuel to feed this little beast. All right, guys, well, stay tuned. Like and subscribe, share if you want. Talk about it online. And we'll check you on the next video. Later.